Welcome. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to watch our next video. Thank you and welcome. Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and I'll be showing you how you can be able to load your start time using a simple local app called OPay. Then you just load directly, either the money is in your balance or no. Don't need enough of things to do it. So just locate with your credit card, go to App Store, download OPay app. Now you launch it and it's loading up. When the application becomes loaded, you will see how it is, and you just load and make extra money, because most of the people normally they have something to do with it. So just launch it like that. Now I'm already a member now. I just type in and then I'll go directly. Now you see it's loading up now. But with this you can make enough money to yourself by just being a kind of agent in your environment. So hope you can be able to see it. Now you see I just have 13 naira on my balance here, and with that I can even still load. I can still load my fuel with this app called OPay. So if I will just show you some steps to follow now. Now click, you can see the list here. Just click on the TV plan and it's coming up. Hope you see that it's coming up. Now you see DSTV. If suppose that is DSTV that you want to load, in our next video we are going to know about DSTV, and we are still going to talk about how to load GoTV. But now mainly what we are going to do now is start time. So you click on start time. Hope you can see now. So just press on this account number and you press your account, the number that is with your card that was attached to your decoder. So for example, let me use mine. So you can be able to see it. It's very simple and easy for you to, if you can be able to follow it. You can see now it's coming up. Can you see? It brings everything up. So you see edit, provider, which is our start time. You see account number is there, your account name, the name you used to register will be confirming there, and the current banquet, that's the current plan that the card is. You will see it there. This is the current banquet, the current plan. So if you want to subscribe to the plan, just click on this. You look for the plan that they want. You may think classic is okay. So at the end of the day, they will list the amount for you. You can see what you are doing at the rate of 1,000, 2,000. Some people they will do something of 240 naira for you, and at the end of the day, they will be collecting 400 naira, making enough profit on you, where you also can be able to start a business and go on. So let me just take 30 days, which is 19, in which case if anybody wants to do it in my shop, I'll either collect 1,500 naira, nothing. 2,500 naira, nothing less. I will collect 2,500 naira without even asking for anything. Then you click on next. What next to do? You will see the miracle that I'm talking about here. Now see the miracle as it's coming up. What do you see up there? Instead of me paying with my balance, you see, I will rather choose my credit card, which is my debit card, in which I will use. Then when I use my debit card, it will just deduct from my bank without any stress, and I will pay for my bill. So we are still going to, in our next video, we are going to talk about how to load DSTV with different plans, and how to load this what we call the electricity bill payment, how to pay our bills using our mobile phones, and depriving yourself the stress of the day because of these little things that you can be able to do by yourself. Or with this, you can even set up a business. Can you see? They give us a flexi mini, flexi banks, and others where you can be able to invest. So if I tell you that I have a platform where you can be able to invest and make enough cash, you will be thinking maybe I'm lying to you, or I'm a kind of being exaggerating about something. And some people, they would think it's calm, but you see, now they just give me a no coin, which is very useful most of the time when I want to use it. So thanks for listening to this video. We would like to see you in our next video being present. Just click on the subscribe button down below. Make sure you subscribe on the channel, and I will drop next video based on payment of bills, that is electricity payment. So thank you.